On 29th of August, in Sahebganj block of Muzaffarpur district, there was flood in Paharpur Panchayat. The village volunteers who were trained on Google Flood Alert got that information on their mobile and immediately they alerted the community members. While alerting the community members, they also informed them about the level of the water. In this video, the community members are thanking the village volunteers trained under the Google Flood Alert project for their support. This gave them a lead time to prepare themselves, and that saved their lives and livelihoods. They are very thankful to the Google project for this flood alert. This is from the Paharpur village in Muzaffarpur district. Thank you.
हम मुजफ्फरपुर पंचायत के निवासी है। हिमांशु जी के द्वारा बाढ़ की चेतावनी के बारे में गूगल के माध्यम से जानकारी मिली। पहले सूचना नहीं मिलती थी, लेकिन गूगल के द्वारा अलर्ट मिलने से हम लोग बाढ़ के प्रति सावधान हैं।